Hey there, welcome to episode 7 of Explorin and Churchin with the Cookin camper. Xena is hanging out back of the camper. Right now we are at the Horse Thief Lake, or Thief Horse Lake, I'm not sure how it goes, but we're right next to Mount Rushmore. Now today we're going to do another little short Bible reading. We're reading out of the NIV version of the Bible. I'm just going to flip to a random page, read a random verse, and then we're going to pray about it and talk about it. So, let's see where we end up. We're going to do a little flippy flip. We landed on 1 Samuel, and we're going to put our finger right there. And we are at 1 Samuel 15:9. But Saul and the army spared Agag, and the best of the sheep and cattle, the fat calves and lambs, everything that was good. These they were unwilling to destroy completely, but everything that was despised and weak they totally destroyed. That was kind of depressing. That was 1 Samuel 15:9. Now, one thing I want to talk about was everything that is despised and weak. Sometimes I think in today's society, we can be made to feel like we're weak, or like if we don't do a certain thing, or if we don't fit into a societal norm, that we're weak, or that we're strange, or that we're unworthy. And like in this, you might feel like you were like unwanted or unneeded, so you feel almost destroyed a little bit, you feel beaten down a little bit. And as Christians, I think that we, and me, and everyone, we need to share the love of God. None of God's children are weak. All of God's children were created by Him in the womb. He knit all of us together, and He knows exactly our strengths and our weaknesses and our gifts. He's blessed us with every single part of our body, every single gift and skill we can possibly imagine. And we need to realize that, and we need to spread that to everyone that we see, everyone that we hear, everyone that we know, everyone that we don't know. We just need to work on spreading the love of God. So I kind of like that. That verse kind of, at least I could talk about that a little bit better than the last verse. Let's end this out with a prayer. Dear God, thank you so much for knitting me and all of your other children together in just the way that you imagined. I know we're not perfect. I know I'm not perfect. And I just feel as though I am exactly how you wanted me to be, because you're the one that put me together, Lord. I pray that all of your children realize this, that all of us realize that you knit us together and we are exactly what you want us to be. Dear God, I just pray that you keep us on your path to whatever you want us to do in life. I pray this in your all-knowing name. Amen. Adios.